Today in this video we will get to know about how to make use of Superscript method in Froala editor. So as you can see that I have opened JSFiddle on my desktop, and these are the file which I have included. This one is for JS and this one is for CSS. And now I'm going to paste the custom HTML button, and that is for Superscript, and paste it here. And now I am binding on click event on that button and then click on run. So by doing this you will get a button like this, and now I'm going to type something here and then click on Superscript. So you can see here the direction of the text gets changed, and this is basically used to change the direction, and it is written above the text area. So this is how it works, and this is the functionality of Superscript. So you can use the same script in your project as well. And thanks a lot for watching this video.